Primetime news this evening. Opposition withdraws its support from constitutional reform town hall meeting in protest. Government defends extending the retirement age for the DPP. And increased protection for children. Stakeholders hope so as amended Child Care and Protection Act is passed.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Andrea Chisholm is here.
Well, Janella, Tropical Battery has a new subsidiary and gas prices are at their highest since November last year. Those and more in the business day.
Highest since November last year.
Ouch.
No, come back with better news. And Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Football?
Thank you, Archie. Well, as you know, the heat is on. And it's on at the World Cup too, where the JFF's appeal against Khadija Shaw's red card was rescinded. We'll tell you how FIFA went about declining it.
And now we have an abbreviated newscast this evening due to our live coverage of the FIFA Women's World Cup. So we're without weather and sports commentary, but there is E-Prime. And before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your expectations of the reggae girls at the FIFA Women's World Cup?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.